Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your Windows 10 operating system with Java JDK. So in order to install NetBeans IDE, you need to have a Java JDK installed on your Windows operating system. So first of all, we are going to see how we can download and install Java JDK, and then in the next step we are going to see how to install NetBeans on our Windows operating system. So first of all, we are going to check whether Java is already installed on our system or not. So just right click on your Windows icon and search for command prompt, and here you just need to type a simple command, which is Java C command. So if this Java C command is going to give you this kind of response which says Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then most probably Java JDK is not installed on your Windows operating system. So we are going to install it. So first of all, open your browser and search for Java JDK now. You will see different versions of the Java JDK in the search results. I can see Java SE Development Kit 14, so this is the latest version of Java JDK at the time of making this video. So I'm going to show you how you can just download and install the SE Development Kit 14. So just click on the oracle.com website. You'll open the first, you will see all this Oracle JDK. Just to click on the JDK download, and now depending upon your operating system you can choose the binaries or the executable files. So right now we are on the Windows 10, so we are going to choose the second last option, which says JDK 14.0.1 Windows x64_bit.exe file. So we are going to download this file, and this file is 162 megabytes, so you just need to wait for some time to download it. Since I have already downloaded this file, so for now I'll pause this, and then I'm going to minimize the browser and run the executable file. First of all, you will see this kind of warning, so I'm going to just click on yes, and now the installation wizard has been started. So I'm going to just click on next, and then if you don't have a good reason to change the location where this Java JDK will be installed on your operating system, just leave everything as default. So this will be the location where you have development kit. So we are going to go to this location after installing Java JDK. For now I'm going to just click on the next button, which is going to start the installation of Java development kit. So just wait for some time until the progress bar reaches to the 100% mark, and after a few seconds you will see the message which says Java development kit is successfully installed. So you can just close this window, and now we are going to go to the location where this Java development kit is installed. So go to C drive, and here go to program files, and you will be able to see this new Java folder which is created by this installer for you. So I'm going to click inside this, and you can see this folder which is JDK folder. So now we are going to just set up our environment variables. So our command prompt is going to recognize the Java C command or any other related command. So what you need to do is just need to go inside this bin folder, and then copy this part from here, and then this is the address. Just copy it and right click on your Windows icon once again, and then click on the system, and once the system windows is open, just click on advanced system settings, and then environment variables. And here you can see two kinds of environment variable. One is user variable for the user, and the other is system variable. So we are going to create the system variable. So first of all, just click on this path system variable. So here on the left hand side you will see able to see the path. So just double click on it, or just click on the edit button, and then you can just click on new and then paste this part until bin folder which you have copied. So once you are finished with this environment variable, then click on OK, and now we are going to create a new environment variable which is called Java home environment variable, which is required by some IDEs and other Java related program to recognize your Java JDK directory. So here we are going to just click on new, and then we are going to create a Java home variable. So just type Java_home all in capital, and then here as the variable value we are going to go to the folder once again, where we have our Java JDK folder. So this time just go to this folder under Java folder, which is the JDK folder, and then you don't need to go inside the bin folder. You just need to go until the JDK folder. So just copy this part of address and then paste this part as the variable value for the Java underscore home environment variables. So I'm going to click on OK, and you can see this new environment variable is created here. So now once you are done with the setting of the environment variables, you are going to click OK, and then OK. I'm going to close this system window. So now Java is installed on your Windows operating system, and we are going to check once again if it works or not. So once again right click on Windows icon and once again open your command prompt, and we are going to write Java C command, and let's see the version. So I'm going to just say the Java C -version and then press enter, which is going to give me the version of Java C which is installed on my system, that is Java 14.0.1. Once again, if you want to know the Java version, you just need to type Java dash version and then press enter, which is going to give you the version of Java installed on your system. And also you have installed this Java JDK, and Java SE runtime environment will be automatically installed, so you don't need to do anything extra for this. And here is the Java hotspot 64-bit server virtual machine. Now once you are finished with the installation of Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system, we are ready to install NetBeans IDE on your Windows operating system. So once again go to your favorite browser and search for NetBeans, and the first link which will appear here will be the from netbeans.org. So I'm going to click this link which is appear here, this website will open straight away. You will see this download button, so I'm going to click on this download button, and it's going to redirect me to this URL which is netbeans.apache.org/downloads. Now on this apache.org page you can see there are two versions of NetBeans available at this time of making this video. So one is Apache NetBeans release, and the second one is Apache NetBeans 11 LTS. So I will also recommend you to download this LTS version. It has long-term support. So I'm going to click on this download button under LTS, and you will be redirected to this page which says downloading Apache NetBeans 11. Just scroll down a little and you will be able to see three options here. One is source, other is binary, and next is Java doc. So just click on incubating NetBeans 11.zip file. So I'm going to click on this zip file, and then at last you just need to click on this mirror link which is going to actually start your download at the zip file. So the file lays around the 303 megabytes, so it's going to take some time to download. So I'm going to download this because I have not downloaded earlier. So once the download finished, you can directly go to the folder where I have downloaded this file. So this is going to look like this zip file. So first of all you need to extract it. So I'm going to just right click on them, and I'm going to just say extract all, which is going to extract this file into the current folder itself. So now the zip file is extracted in the form of this folder. So I'm going to go inside the folder, and you will be able to see this NetBeans folder. And once you go inside the NetBeans folder, all the folders and files related to NetBeans are present here. So the next step is to just go inside this NetBeans folder and just cut this NetBeans folder from here. And so once again I'm going to go this extracted folder, and I'm going to paste this folder to my C drive. I am going to go to my C drive and then paste this NetBeans folder into my C drive. Now I'm going to go inside this NetBeans folder, and then I'm going to go inside the bin folder, and you will be able to see the two executable files here. One is NetBeans and the other is NetBeans 64. So we need to run this executable file which says NetBeans 64, which is for 64-bit operating system. So just double click on it, and click on the run, and I'm going to minimize this folder, and you can see the NetBeans IDE is starting. And now as you can see this here, this NetBeans IDE has been opened on my Windows 10 operating system. So the first thing, before do anything to the NetBeans IDE, I'm going to just right click on this NetBeans icon. So I'm going to just right click and then pin it to my taskbar, and also I'm going to create the shortcut onto my desktop. So I'm just going to click on create shortcut, which is going to create the shortcut for this NetBeans executable file, which I'm going to move to the desktop. So if you just want to move this icon to the desktop, which is the shortcut for opening this NetBeans IDE, so now let's create a very simple Java project here in the NetBeans. So I'm going to click on the file option here and then click on the new project, and here you will be able to see a few options where it says Java with Maven Java, with Gradle, and other options also available here. So what we want to do is we want to create a simple Java application. So I'm going to choose Java with Ant here, and then I'm going to just choose the Java application and then click next. And you can see the name of the Java application is displayed here. You can change the project name. For example, I just want to name it as Techie Stock. Then I'm going to click on finish, and you can this simple Java applications has been created with the main method, because I have checked the main method. So let's print something. So I'll just write a simple line of code which says system.out.print hello world. So now I have written this code for print option. So I am going to just click on run options here on the top bar, and then I'm going to just say build project, which is going to build our project, and if any problem exists is going to tell up what problem is there, and if our program is compiled successfully, it is not going to give any problem. So now we will be able to run our project, and click on this green triangle option which says run project, and now you can see the hello world is printed onto the output screen. So all the things are working fine on our NetBeans IDE, or Java is configured successfully and it's working. So this is how you can download and install NetBeans on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.